In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add pages to Navigation Squarespace 7.0. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the site editor, go to the Home menu and click Pages. This is where you manage the structure of your site and control which pages appear in your navigation. Inside the Pages panel, you will see different sections that organize your content. The two areas you need to pay attention to are Main Navigation and Not Linked. Main Navigation contains the pages that are visible at the top of your website. These are the links visitors can see and click as they move through your site. The Not Linked section, on the other hand, holds pages that are still part of your website but are hidden from the main menu. If the page you want to show in your navigation is currently in the Not Linked section, find that page first. Then click and hold the page icon next to it. Make sure you are clicking the icon so you can drag the page properly. This lets Squarespace know you want to move that page to a different section. Now drag the page upward from Not Linked and place it directly into the main navigation list. When you drop it there, the page will be added to your site's visible navigation. This is the key action that makes the page appear in the menu at the top of your website. After the page is in main navigation, you can adjust where it appears in the menu. To do that, click and drag the same page up or down within the main navigation list. The higher it sits in the list, the earlier it will appear in your navigation bar. Moving it lower will place it farther along in the sequence. This is useful for organizing your menu in a way that makes sense for your visitors. As you make these changes, it helps to think about the order of your pages from a visitor's point of view. Place your most important or most frequently visited pages where they are easy to find. A clear navigation menu can make your site feel more polished and easier to use. Once your page is moved and arranged in the right order, your navigation update is complete. That covers everything you need to know.